The materials required are 8 centimeter for this square. Here I am using 4 colors. So red, blue, yellow and green. And some pins which has a ball on the top here, you can see. Then 2 color papers which are like in a circle shape, which is 2 centimeter. One, here I am using the shining paper. If you want, you can use that, or you can use a normal paper like here I am showing. And always you need one normal paper. If you want, you can use this. Then Fevicol, then scissor, then marker which is black, then two straws here I am using, then a scale. Now let's start with it here. So I am starting with red here. Now I am taking my sketch pen and the scale. Here you have to draw a diagonal line. You can see here I have drawn it like this. So for that, everything you have to draw it like that, then you have to cut it. So I'll do that one more. If you want, you can fold it, then cut it. I'm drawing it, then cutting. Yeah, done drawing. Now I'm going to cut. Sometimes if you fold it and cut it, you will cut it wrong by mistakenly. It will go some other, it will not come in the proper line. So only I said that to draw and cut. So you'll get 2 triangles here. So now I got totally 8 triangles. You can see each color has 2 triangles. You can see here 2 blues, 2 yellows, 2 greens, 2 reds. So let's keep it aside and we'll take this white circle over here. And you can keep them in any order. So I thought to keep red first. And you have to stick it on that. Here you have to put only 1 drop. Then you have to keep it on the circle here. You can see how I'm keeping it. Like this. If you want, you can do first here like folding it. And do that may get easy for you. Then doing it, it makes easy for you to understand how I'm sticking. So next I thought to do yellow. And here you can see the line here. So you have to keep it near that line and then stick it. So you will get it like this. Something like this. Here it will be a small triangle, here a big triangle. Next, I thought to give blue. Here you can see the red small triangle here. You have to keep it near that here, you can see. And then press it at the top. So here red and blue meets together. So you'll get it like this. Then I thought to give green. It's your wish. You can give like double colors or 4 colors or 3 colors. It's your wish. Then again yellow. Here you can see. Then again I am repeating the order. If you are using it like red and yellow, so you have to give it in a pattern like red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, like that will go. If you are giving it for one color, then fully you can do the same. But for everything, it's the same trick, but you have to be careful while sticking the paper. Then again here I have to keep it near green. Then near blue. Here. Then again I have to keep it near red. Here you can see. Then the last one. Some people gets confused while keeping the last piece of the here. So here these two meet together, no? So here you have to pull this up little. Then you have to stick that. Here I will show. First you have to glue this, then here you have to keep it like normally you kept it for green and yellow. Keep that, then press the last one, which one you have pulled it up. Then press it over here a little bit. Then only it will stick. So you'll get in this pattern like something like this. So next you have to let it to dry. Then here let's start sticking it to make it puff. Here you have to take, you can see somewhere the small triangles here. Red, yellow, then blue, then green, and more of them. So you have to not pull that one, you have to pull the big triangles here. You can see here this red. So you have to take it and you have to put only one drop. Then press it. So like that here. Then yellow is big. Then yellow will stick. Then blue. Then green. Sometimes this is the problem which you get. So only you have to fix it properly first. Here, it should be together, that's what. Then yellow. Then blue. Then red. So again, for one drop I got this much. You might take how many ever drops for you. For me, I took this much. Then red. Then yellow. So if you want, you can do the colorful one here I'm doing. Then it would look so beautiful while seeing at last. So I am halfway here, you can see. Then yellow. You might take sometimes to press like this, sometimes it will not get sticked. Here then now here. Here, like you can see, I am pressing it here. the last one here, green. It might take long time to press it. It can take like 2 minutes or 3 minutes or maybe like 5 minutes. For me it took time. So here I finished it. So here you can see I finished it. Next we'll try to hide that with this shining paper. Sometimes may come out, so only we are pressing that for safety, that it should not come out. Then you have to press it. You can take it out, then press it. Then it will get pressed so nice. So we finished here like this. So we'll keep it aside for getting it dry. Next we'll take these 2 straws. So here I'm going to do the handle here, the pink one here. The pink one will be the handle here, like this it would be. So I'm taking this straw for the movement. So here you can keep it like this. You have to cut this much of this straw. Here you can see this much will come, and one more here. One should be small and one should be big. You can see here. Next here you can, now let's take the ball pin here. You can see with the ball. So here you have to poke it in. So it would be hard to poke, so you can ask your parents to poke it and give. So here I got it like this. At the behind here I got it here like it. Then you have to take this small one and just put it inside that. Then the straw here, you can see. Just press it into that. So it will poke out. So you can ask your parents to do that, because it will be sometimes hard for you. So the extra one pin here, you can take it and poke it. So here we have done it. See here. See this, it looks so cute for me to see it. If you want, you can write your name at here and just write your name from home. See here. I hope you're playing with this, and don't forget to like my video, subscribe and click the icon. Thank you.